Hello my dear student, how are you all? I hope you all are well. I am also well. Dear student, today I am here at present to take a class, especially for the student of class 5. So my dear student of class 5 and all viewers who are joining with me now, all are welcome to Guimara Online School. Let's introduce myself. I am Monir Hussain, assistant teacher of Bhagyo Karparipara Government Primary School, Matiranga, Khagrachuri. Dear student, at very first I ask all of you some easy question. All are trying to answer, give me answer. Dear student, in our society, in our everyday life, we arrange many ceremony. So please tell me how we arrange or how many ceremony we arrange. We arrange marriage ceremony and annual sports ceremony in our school and etc. So today I would like to discuss with all of you ceremony is birthday party. Okay, so dear student, all are take your pen and exercise khata and write down today's topic's name, birthday party or happy birthday. Okay. Happy birthday. Dear student, at first I try to draw a picture on the board. All are look at me, look at the board carefully. All are look at the board. Dear student, what is this? This is a picture and the name of this picture a cake, and the cake is like a birthday cake. Okay, on the cake has 4 candles on this cake. এই কেকটির উপরে অনেকগুলো মোমবাতি আছে, 1 2 3 4 চারটি মোমবাতি আছে জ্বালানো. So it's a birthday cake. Okay, it's a birthday cake. So dear student, all are take your EFT book, page number 58. Unit 15. Unit 15, page number 58. Here are a birthday ceremony held by a family. So now we all are try to read out the text. All are first listen to me and match your reality book. At first I read out the text. Happy birthday. A person's birthday is a special day. This is the date when the person was born. People around the world celebrate birthdays in different ways. In many countries, people celebrate with a cake. There are candles on the cake. There is one candle for each year of the person's life. People sing a song for the person. At the end of the song, the person blows out the candles. Dear student, again I read out the text with Bangla meaning. So all are listen to me again carefully. Okay. Happy birthday, Shubho Janmodin. A person's birthday, একজন ব্যক্তির জন্মদিন is a special day, একটি বিশেষ দিন. This is the date, এটি হচ্ছে এমন একটি তারিখ when the person was born, যখন ওই ব্যক্তিটি জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিল. People around the world, বিশ্বের জনগণ celebrate birthdays, উদযাপন করেন জন্মদিন in different ways, বিভিন্ন ভাবে. In many countries, বেশিরভাগ দেশে people celebrate, মানুষ উদযাপন করে with a কেক দিয়ে. There are candles on the cake, কেকের উপরে মোমবাতি থাকে. There is one candle for each year of the person's life, একটি মোমবাতি ওই ব্যক্তির জীবনে একটি বছর নির্দেশ করে. People sing a song for the person, মানুষ ওই ব্যক্তিটির জন্য গান গায়. At the end of the song, গান শেষে the person blows out, ব্যক্তিটি নিভিয়ে দেয় the candles, মোমবাতিগুলো. ওকে, আজ আমরা এতটুকু পর্যন্তই পড়ব. So dear student, here are many new words. So I try to find out some new words which are very essential for all of you. First I write on the board every word and then all are write down the words in your exercise book. Okay, first word is birthday. Means জন্মদিন. Birthday means জন্মদিন. Another word is candle, means mombati. And another word is blowout. Nehvano, which blow out the person whose birthday. Nebano or ফুঁ দিয়ে নেবানো. Okay, blow out. And another word is special, means বিশেষ. Special. So dear student, I try to find out some new words which are included in your EFT book, and it is very essential to know that new words, word meaning. Birthday, জন্মদিন, candle, মোমবাতি, blow out, নেভানো, special, বিশেষ. Special, বিশেষ. Dear student, it's seen passage. It includes your EFT book, and in this passage your examination included 4 questions, number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So today I would like to discuss number 3. I would like to exercise some question from today's text. আমরা আজকে কয়েকটি প্রশ্ন নিয়ে আলোচনা করব যেটি তোমাদের 3 নাম্বার প্রশ্নের মধ্যে থাকে পরীক্ষায়। আজকে আমরা যেগুলো আলোচনা করেছি from our today's lesson, আমাদের আজকের পাঠ থেকে। কোশ্চেন এটা হচ্ছে 3 তে থাকে, নাম্বার 3। ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন ইজ হাউ ইজ বার্থডে, জন্মদিন কি বা কেমন। হাউ ইজ এ বার্থডে, হাউ ইজ এ birthday. We know this question answer. How is a birthday? A birthday is a special day. অর্থাৎ হাউ ইজ এ বার্থডে, একটি জন্মদিন কেমন। এ বার্থডে ইজ এ স্পেশাল ডে, জন্মদিন হচ্ছে একটি বিশেষ দিন। এই বিশেষ দিনটি হচ্ছে একটি ব্যক্তির জন্য, জন্মদিন হচ্ছে একটি বিশেষ দিন। এ বার্থডে ইজ এ স্পেশাল ডে। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 2, how do people around the world celebrate their birthday? How do people around the world celebrate their birthday? Okay. পৃথিবীর বিভিন্ন মানুষ কিভাবে জন্মদিন পালন করে থাকে বা করেন। আনসার, people around the world celebrate their birthday different ways. Okay. Question is, how do people around the world celebrate their birthday? Answer is, people around the world celebrate their birthday different ways. Okay. So dear student, here are two questions I write on the board. First one is, how is a birthday? Birthday kemon? Answer: a birthday is a special day. একটি জন্মদিন হচ্ছে একটা বিশেষ দিন। Number 2, how do people around the world celebrate their birthday? পৃথিবীর মানুষ কিভাবে জন্মদিন পালন করেন? People, answer is people around the world celebrate their birthday different ways. পৃথিবীর মানুষ বিভিন্নভাবে তাদের জন্মদিন পালন করে থাকেন। So dear student, your homework is read out the text from a person's birthday to blows out the candles. Okay, all are read out the text with correctly and try to exercise question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So dear student, no more today. All are try to stay at home with your parents. So thank you all.